Hello everyone! I'll show you how to create and print labels for free using data from your Excel file. To do this, I use the free label design and printing software AzureLabel. Let's get started. Go to the program website AzureLabel.com. Click Use for free, then download AzureLabel. The program installer will start downloading. Once the installer file is downloaded, click on it to start the program installation process. Click Yes and select the installation language. Click Next and then Install. The program is installed and you can launch it directly from the installer by clicking Finish. In the future, you can run the program through the Windows menu by accessing All Apps. Click Finish and wait for the initial setup of the program to complete. The program is ready to use. Click Continue Free Use. If you want to go deeper into the intricacies of working with the program, you can view the user guide by clicking Yes. Click No. We'll maximize the program window and hide buttons that are not related to work. Some features of the program are not available for free use, such as barcode printing. However, even in the free mode, you can design labels of any complexity, including Pro Design, by simply clicking the Show as Pro button. Let's close the open template so it doesn't distract us. This is optional, and you can keep any number of templates open to print them promptly. Let's move on to creating our label template. Click Add and select New Template. The template catalog window will open. Let's create a new folder called My Folder and select it to place our new template in it. Let's name our template My Label. The program offers to connect data from our Excel file to our label right now. This is optional, and you can do it later at any time. We will choose to connect to the data source right now. I will use the Excel sample file from AzureLabel as a data source. Let's take a look at the contents of this file. The file contains columns such as product name, SKU, brand, price, description, and others. There's also a barcode column in the file, but we won't use it since barcode printing is not available in the free version. If you want to print barcodes, you'll need to purchase a Pro license. Please note that your file may contain columns with different names. However, the process of creating a label template will remain the same. Go back to the program and click Yes. Let's add a new connection. By default, a connection with the type Excel file is created. You can change the data source type at any time, for example, to CSV file or any other available type in the program. Let's choose our Excel file. Go to the Data Fields tab and click Read All Data Fields from the source. All the columns from our file have been added to the Data Fields list. Let's check the data reading from the file. Click Test Load. All data from our file has been successfully read. The data source connection setup is complete. Click OK. Set the label dimensions. In our case, it will be 3 inches by 2. Click OK. At the bottom of the program window, data loaded from our Excel file will appear. Now let's make our label display our data. Drag the SKU data field to the template's free space. Select the text type. Set the element size and font size. Then drag the product name, brand name, and product description. Drag the price and increase the font size. Align the price to the left. Add a $sign. Set the alignment to the right. Let's add our logo. We will use a background image since dynamic image loading is only available in the Pro license. Select an image from the file. Let's add a border around the product name. Select the rounded rectangle tool and set the border color. Also set the background color. To ensure the element doesn't cover the product name, send this element to the background. Let's see how our template will display data from various rows of our Excel file. Everything works. We can print labels with our data. Let's print not just one, but 2 copies of this label. Set the number of labels to print to 2. Let's not print this label. Uncheck the print checkbox. We will not print this label either. Everything is ready for printing. Click on the preview. Choose a regular printer and print our labels on a regular sheet of paper by clicking Print. We can also print labels on adhesive label sheets. Open the preview. Choose the desired layout of adhesive labels. And click Print. Now let's print these labels on a thermal printer. Select the thermal printer and click Print. Congratulations! You have designed and printed labels using the completely free label printing software AzureLabel.